Hello, welcome back. This is a quick update to catch you all up on the Datalogger project. There's been some new additions, done a little bit of work on the tidying up of the prototype board and a little bit of extra work on the software. I'm still waiting for some parts to come in before I can get it into a box and actually get it mounted on the bike, and then start getting ECU feeds as well. So I'll show you a little bit of what I've been up to today and a little bit of the software, and then the next episode will hopefully have the box and then some of the bike stuff in it as well. So without further ado, I'll crack on and show you what I've done. Okay, so in the last video you may have seen the prototype board that I had all set up on here with all the individual components fly-wired together, and now we'll notice that everything is on this kind of PCB prototype board. It's not actually printed, but the buttons are still there, all hooked up. Single battery now as well, which is powering the backup battery for the GPS. So the GPS keeps the GPS breakout board keeps all its settings synced, and everything else is mounted. So the mount for the clue. So the clue can be removed from its mount, and the Raspberry Pi can be removed from its mount as well. All the switches connect on to jumper connectors on the board, and I'll show you a picture of the steps that I took to make this. So I haven't done much more on the data analysis software. Essentially just added a couple of new features. So I fixed the lap marker. As you can see now, I've got a couple of actual lap indicators coming in, and I added a GPS, which isn't fully hooked up yet, but essentially this is a Google Maps default Google Maps page with no longitude and latitude plugged into it yet. The idea being that I'm going to add markers onto this to show the trek. So I will zoom in on my GPS position and then put a marker at whatever point during the video we're at, so you can see the GPS position at the right position on the trek. That is the hope. So this is actually going to be, this is a web page that's going to be alongside the executable with a WebSocket from the Qt app to the web page to send the longitude and latitudinal data across. That was the easiest way to integrate it without having to do a whole bunch of other shenanigans. So that's about all I've done on here, really. Just piping a little bit of stuff and trying to get the map set up